We have had a query from a user in New South Wales where he's dealing with a design that needs to go to a local approving authority, and they require a pot size in the schedule, and he's been used to simply going gCADPlus and plant schedule and draw the standard schedule. The way to generate what he's after is to go to gCADPlus, down here to plant schedule, and pick custom, draw schedule with custom content. So we'll pick it. Now we need to concentrate our attention now on the command line area down the bottom. That's where gCADPlus gives us feedback. Do we want to include the plant schedule in this? That's the column here of the symbols. For the moment we'll say yes. Do we want to include the red circle markers? I'll say no, they're used for mass planting. Do I want to include the type? We'll say yes. The code, include the code, yep. Hit enter. Include the pot size, this is the one we're after, and we'll say, of course we'll say, so include pot size, yes. Include a botanical name, yes. Include the common name, yes. Do I want to print the common name under the botanical name? I'll say no. If you do say yes, you'll get a long and narrow plant schedule. Now input the text height, or just dynamically indicate the height. I'm going to type in 200 and hit enter. Now I'm asked for a corner point. So I will zoom out a little and pick there, and then come down and maybe to about this point here, and a new plant schedule gets generated and does include the pot size. You may notice this particular species has some funny text in here. That seems to be, and here's some more down here. Sorry, here's some more in this entry. So you can fix that relatively easily by selecting the block, the plant schedule block, and then we need to dive in here and find this entry is the one being giving us a problem. Click in here and just edit the contents, and we'll just remove, a little hard for you to see, but remove the quote and add it again. So remove the single quote and add it again. It's some sort of glitch that we are experiencing in the, so I'll say unselect all, and there we are, we've tidied it up, and the same would apply here. It's a very odd quirk, and I'll edit that one again, and it's not a problem at the Whichwood is correct, but it's the last quote. So I'll pop that in, I'll go cut it out, pop it in again, and now we can close the block editor, and we've fixed that little problem up. So that's how you generate a custom schedule with information on pot size.